Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on charging the AirPods Pro 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To charge your AirPods Pro 2, simply place them inside their charging case and close the lid. The light on the front will flash orange if there is less than a full charge left on your AirPods, or green if they are fully charged. The case will fully charge your AirPods multiple times before it needs charging itself. You should keep your AirPods in their case when you aren't using them, both for safety and to keep them charged. There are a few different options to charge the charging case. You can plug the cable that came with the AirPods into a power source, and then into the base of the charging case. The light will flash orange if the case has less than a full charge left, and green if it is fully charged. The charging case also comes with wireless charging abilities, so you can place it on a wireless charger with the light facing upwards and it will charge. There is a third charging option for the AirPods case. You can place the case on an Apple Watch charger with the status light facing upwards and it will charge your case. You can charge your case with the AirPods inside or not. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple AirPod tips and tricks.